Hello guys, do you want to open a Melbet account and also want to convert it to a VIP account using our VIP promo code and also want to get a 300% cashback bonus? Then you have clicked on the right video. Today in this video I am going to show you how to create an official Melbet account. To create an account, you have to download Melbet app from Google Chrome browser. Then open it. Here you will see two options. Just click on registration option. Then click on one click option. Here choose your country first. Select your currency. And lastly, you have to write our official VIP promo code. It is the most important step here. If you do not use our official VIP promo code, your account won't be 100% verified and will not get 100% cashback bonus. Write GSK9 in the promo code field. Remember, do not alter the promo code. Write it exactly same as GSK9. After completing our promo code, tick all the required boxes and click on the register button. Here, you will see username and password. Don't forget to take a screenshot of this information because if you forget these details, you won't be able to log in your account again. Now click on the next button and your account successfully logged in. So now let's look at how to deposit money in Melbet. To deposit money into your account, click on the deposit option. Choose the payment method like Binance Pay and provide your information here like deposit amount, your first name, surname. Then click on the confirm button. Here, you will say QR code. Then make a payment on this QR. After completing your payment, your money will be added to your account. So now you can play and win so much money from Melbet.